Johnford's new BMC 160 builds on decades of experience to deliver the most powerful and heaviest horizontal boring mill in its class.
We bought it because of capacity, size of the machine, the name in itself, because of rigidity. We were looking for that to begin with. We do a lot of large components, mining, power generation predominantly, but large diameters up to 90-100 inch.
This machine is a solid meionite casting of over 50 tons with a powerful spindle for heavy cutting with precision. This series of machines is designed with the moving column for the Z-axis and a moving table design for the X-axis to maintain constant support over the whole X-axis travel. The powerful quill-type chrome molybdenum spindle on the BMC 110 is nitride hardened, ground and lapped for the highest precision performance.
And we've sold a couple thousand machines over the years. We have a lot of installations in a variety of industries. Because of the way the machines are built, they can do anything from job shop to aerospace, energy, automotive. There's almost no area of manufacturing we can't go into with the product.